Hello guys, so happy Mahashivratri and welcome back to the SQL section of data engineering with Animesh, and today we are going to solve our 26th question in our SQL LeetCode series. So let us get directly to the question. So the question is employee whose manager left the company. So there's a table known as employees and it has four columns: employee ID, name, manager ID and salary. In SQL, employee ID is the primary key for this table. This table contains information about the employees, their salary, and the ID of their manager. Some employees do not have a manager. So basically, this table contains employee ID and the information about that employee, the name, the manager, and the salary. The manager is given in the form of manager ID. Find the ID of the employees whose salary is strictly less than $30,000. So a very easy part where salary is less than $30,000. Okay, great. And whose manager left the company. This is added to make a bit of add bit of trickiness in the question. Okay, when a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employees table. Means a manager is also an employee, right? So suppose if I am the manager of some people and I left the company, on that day my employee ID would be removed from the table. So you won't find the manager's employee ID in the table after he or she have left. But the reports still have their manager ID set to manager that left. But the manager ID is still set to the manager employee ID. Okay. I will show you in the example as well. Return the result table ordered by employee ID. Okay, so you have to do an order by clause. Now let's see. This is the table. So we have employee with employee ID 3, 12, 13, 1, 9, 11. So 3 has manager ID 9. So the manager is still present in the company. 1 has manager ID is 11 and 11 is still present in the company. 11 has manager ID as 6, but 6 is not present in the company, and the salary of 11 is also less than $30,000. So the answer is 11, and you can see the explanation also. Okay, so I hope you would have understood the question, and I'm jumping to the coding part. So first, the data is being taken from employees table. Y double E S. Okay, and the what is the first where condition? Where salary is less than 30,000. Okay, and what you have to select? So one condition you have already catered by this small query. Now there are two conditions, so and it is said that the manager ID will not be present in the employee ID, right? Means once suppose the manager 6 has left. After that, his or her entry as an employee ID is removed. Means uski employee ID हट गई है. So in the employee ID column, you won't see 6. So that we have to check that manager ID should not be present in the list of employee ID. Simple. So I will do that and and manager ID not in what part? Select employee ID from employee ID from employees. Well, okay. So first condition is scattered by salary less than 30,000, and the second condition the manager ID not in select employee ID from the select employee ID from employee. So basically all the list of employee ID will come by this select query, and then the manager ID would be compared. Though that manager ID that not be in this list would be considered in the output. Now I'm running this, and yes, see we have got a result. Oh, one thing I forgot. Order by, don't forget, we were lucky that we got the answer because there was only one output that was coming from the data set they have provided, but still order by employee ID, because in the question it is mentioned, return the result table ordered by employee ID. So okay, it has been accepted by the engine. So I hope you would have understood this question. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.